good, everybody? This is Chris, and I'm here to document my journey on the different businesses that I have in the cannabis space and really show the viewers what it takes. Really, the day-to-day, the risks, the challenges. A lot of people looking from the outside in. I hear all different ways that working in the cannabis industry is like God's gift, and I'm not saying it's not. Believe me, I love it. I'm very fortunate and grateful every day I get to wake up and do this, but it's definitely the most challenging thing I've ever dealt with, and hanging in there and seeing it through is really the most satisfying part, along with being able to help spread the awareness of cannabis, because it really has a special place in society and humanity. So that being said, I just want to introduce myself and some of my companies and bring you along to show you the progress as that happens, because a couple of the projects are in their early stages, and I want to document and show you exactly what it takes from licensing to startup operations to sales and everything else that comes with that. You'll be finding out about the licensed indoor grow I have downtown, to the licensed farm I have up in Northern California, then to the licensed distribution company that we have in the wholesale district in Los Angeles. And that's to basically create a hub for all these suppliers that we work with throughout the state, and a place for all the buyers and brands to come to purchase California high quality cannabis. Some of the last projects, I have a Type 6 manufacturing license in downtown that's opening up. We currently already have one out in the valley, but that's not a conducive location. So you'll see the build out, development, and the launch of this new one. It's really gonna be a brand incubator basically. So we have a lot of in-house brands and brands in the pipeline, and brands we're gonna decide to work with in the future. Right now we have Presidential, who's in over 200 stores. We're all mutual partners. They're doing over $1 million a month. So we have a lot of inside knowledge and experience to lend to that. The other thing is just from the manufacturing side, it's really the thing that makes everything go around. So we're gonna get into all the nuts and bolts of that. Just follow along the channel and you'll be able to pick and choose what works for you and skip over the rest. Thanks again for watching, and stay tuned.